Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Hello friends, this video is all about gas chromatography, covering definition, principle, instrumentation, procedure and steps to perform gas chromatography, as well as advantages and applications of gas chromatography. So let's know what is gas chromatography. In short, it is known as GC. GC is an analytical technique used to separate and analyze the components of sample mixture and determine presence or absence of component. If present, then how much quantity is present. In GC, gas is used as mobile phase and solid or liquid used as stationary phase. If liquid use, it is known as gas liquid chromatography, and if solid use, it is known as gas solid chromatography. Principle of gas chromatography. The basic principle of gas chromatography is to inject sample solution into the instrument, which is transported by gas into a separation tube known as the column. Here column is in the form of coil. In gas chromatography, the substance to be analyzed is partitioned between the mobile phase and stationary phase. During the separation, the sample is vaporized and carried through the column by the mobile gas phase. The different components get separated based on their vapor pressure and affinities for the stationary phase. The affinity of a component toward the stationary phase is termed as distribution constant, which is also known as partition coefficient. The affinity of a component towards the stationary phase is known as distribution constant, which is also known as partition coefficient. The distribution constant or partition coefficient nothing but the ratio of concentration of a component in the stationary phase and the concentration of a component in the mobile phase. Instrumentation of gas chromatography. A high pressure cylinder which contains carrier gas with pressure regulator and flow meter. The gases may be helium, nitrogen, hydrogen or argon. Helium gas is preferred for thermal conductivity detectors because its high thermal conductivity relative to that of most organic vapor, whereas nitrogen is preferred when a large consumption of carrier gas is employed because nitrogen is cheaper. The next component of GC instrument is injection system, where liquid sample is injected by microsyringe. The next very important component of GC system is separation column. This is the heart of gas chromatography. The next important components of GC system are thermostats, which maintain temperature, and detectors. Detectors sense the arrival of separated component, and the recorder, which are used to record the responses obtained from the detectors. Procedure of gas chromatography. First, a small amount of liquid sample to be analyzed drawn into a syringe, microsyringe, and then injected via sample inlet. Next, separation in the column. Components in the mixtures are separated based on their affinity to bind with the stationary phase. Finally, detecting and recording results. The components of the mixture reach the detector at different time. Due to differences in time, they are retained in the column. The component that is retained the shortest time in the column is detected first. The component that retained the longest time in the column is detected last. The detector sends a signal to the recorder, which results in peak on the chart paper. The component that is detected first is recorded first. The component that is detected last is recorded last. Advantages of gas chromatography. The use of longer column at higher velocity. The carrier gas permit the fast separation, so the analysis using gas chromatography is usually completed within few minutes. High sensitivity. The gas chromatography offers a full range of detectors such as flame ionized detectors and thermal conductivity detectors and electron capture detectors. Limitations of gas chromatography. The compound to be analyzed should be stable under gas chromatographic operation conditions. They should have a vapor pressure significantly greater than 0. The samples also require to be salt-free. They should not contain ions. And very minute amount of substance can be measured. Applications of gas chromatography. Gas chromatography used to detect airborne pollutant and analysis of dairy product as well as analysis of foods and drugs. Thanks for watching.